Hey everybody, Alex Ryan here. This is a normal Saturday for me. I'm working up here on the Gold Coast with one of my business partners, and I want to show you the setup that we've got here. And if you're looking to sort of start something up, whether it's an import business, selling stuff online, you need this setup right here. You see you've got the light equipment over there, light here. Let's just get a view back. You can get these kits online, and it's a green screen. And I'll just come back here, and you have your camera phone or your video camera mounted here, and basically you do videos. And the advantage of doing videos here is basically you can do videos anytime, anywhere you want, even if it's 2 o'clock in the morning, as long as you got good lighting. And the reason why is you've got products, all right? You want to sell your products, you want to sell the products, and these are great for putting products. You put your product here, and you can project anything on the background. That's why green screens are very powerful. You can actually buy one of these for, I think, a bit less than $300, and it does its job. It actually is. It does pay off to have one of these things here. So just think about that. You know, if you're truly motivated to start an import-export business and you're serious about this, you need to invest in this as a business. You need to start thinking, okay, what I truly need, how am I, you can't run a business and not have any overheads. You've got to have overheads in a business. Of course, try and keep them as small as you possibly can, but you need overheads to run, to actually get things done. You're going to outsourcing, you got to hire people, you got to buy products, of course, physical products, and import them from China. So just bear that in mind. You can't, people who think they can actually run a business with no capital, those people need to get a job. Talk to you soon, guys. Have an awesome day.